unit elements in a ring are. Unit elements in a ring are. In a ring are तर समजा आर प्लस इंटू ही रिंग आहे. आर प्लस इंटू ही काय एक रिंग आहे आणि समजा फॉर ए बिलॉंग टू आर देअर एक्झिस्ट सम बी बिलॉंग टू आर such that A into B is equal to B into A is equal to 1, the unit element of R, then unity, not unit, then A is said to be a unit element on R. A and B are said to be a unit element of R. Then A and B are said to be unit elements of R. तर म्हणजे काय, समजा आर ही रिंग आहे आणि ए समजा हा आरला बिलॉंग करतो, तर ते या ए साठी एक एलिमेंट बी असा आहे की ए इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए इज इक्वल टू 1. तर ए आणि बी हे जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत त्यांना काय म्हणतात, युनिट्स इलेमेंट्स. काय म्हणतात, युनिट्स इलेमेंट. अँड ए इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इनव्हर्स ऑफ बी and B is called as a multiplicative inverse of A. For example, तर R प्लस इंटू ह्या रिंगमध्ये प्रत्येक नॉन झिरो एलिमेंट हे युनिट एलिमेंट आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. R प्लस इंटू ह्या रिंगमध्ये प्रत्येक नॉन झिरो एलिमेंट हे युनिट एलिमेंट आहे. कारण समजा 5 असेल तर 5 साठी 1/5 हा असा असतो की 5 इंटू 1/5 आणि 1/5 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू 1. मीन्स झिरो सोडून प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा काय आहे, युनिट एलिमेंट आहे. इन द रिंग झेड प्लस इंटू in the ring z plus into z is the set of integer. तर z plus into ह्या रिंग मध्ये 1 आणि -1 हे युनिट एलिमेंट्स आहेत. 1 आणि -1 हे फक्त केवळ युनिट एलिमेंट आहेत. कारण 1 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 अँड -1 इंटू -1 इज इक्वल टू 1. तर बाकी कोणताही एलिमेंट हा युनिट एलिमेंट ह्यामध्ये नाही. आता इथे बघा, समजा M2R plus the set of 2x2 matrices, real valued matrices on which two binary operation, one is the addition and other is multiplication is defined, then every matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0 is a unit element, is an unit element, because if the matrix A has not determinant 0, then there exists matrix B such that A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. Then where I is the unity element of M2R plus into, then A, B are मध्ये every invertible matrix is the unity element in this set. This is the concept of unity elements. Now suppose R plus into is a group. R plus into is a group. Then theorem, suppose theorem, suppose R plus into is a ring, then the set of unity elements, in R form a group under multiplication. Under multiplication. तर बघा, सपोज दॅट R plus into is a ring, then the set of unit elements in R form a group under multiplication. तर आता हे थेरम आहे, याचा प्रूफ आपण इथे ओरलीच एक्सप्लेन करूया. फर्स्ट, सिन्स सपोज यू, समजा U is the subset of R and U is the set of all units in R. First, U is non-empty because 1, if 1 is the unity of R, then 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and therefore 1 satisfy, 1 belong to U, and therefore U is non-empty. लक्षात घ्या, इथं U non-empty आहे. U हा सगळ्या युनिट एलिमेंटचा R आहे, तर U मध्ये नक्कीच 1 हा एलिमेंट आहे, कारण 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and therefore 1 belong to U, and therefore U is not equal to null set. Therefore U is a non-empty. Now see here, we know that R is a now suppose A belong to U, B belong to U. Then we prove that A into B belong to U. Now since A belong to U, B belong to U, therefore there exists element A dash, so that A into A dash is equal to 1 and B into B dash is equal to 1. B into B dash is equal to 1. Now therefore, now AB into A dash B dash, AB into A dash B dash is equal to AB into AB into B dash A dash is equal to A into B into B dash into A dash is equal to 1 into A dash is equal to 1, and therefore for AB there is a B dash A dash, so that AB into B dash A dash is equal to 1, and therefore if A belong to U, B belong to U, then you can observe that AB belong to U. Therefore U is closed under multiplication. That is when A belong to U, B belong to U, AB belong to U. Now see here, therefore is closed under multiplication. Since associativity is satisfied for all A, B, C belong to R, obviously associativity is satisfied associativity of multiplication is satisfied by all elements belonging to U, and therefore A is closed under, U is closed under multiplication, U is non-empty, associative is satisfied. Now since for any A there exists a B, so that A into B is equal to B into A is equal to 1. Also A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. A into 1, 1 into A is equal to A, and therefore you can see according, therefore by all this observation, U subset of R is a group under multiplication. It is called as a group of unit elements. It is called as a group of unit elements.